Let me ask you a question. If someone offered 5 crore to your property, would you sell it? Most people answer, it depends. Exactly. Your CA may say, sell and save tax. Your banker may say, take a loan on it, so it is going to give more value for it. Your friend may say, land prices are going up, don't sell at all. Your family may have a complete different opinion. So, everyone has an advice for you. But can you implement every advice? Or whom to believe on taking this financial decision? Here, what I have learned after working with successful business owners, the bigger the wealth becomes, the difficult the choices going to become. Because every decision going to impact your business, family, taxes, cash flow, everything in your life. So one wrong decision taken wrongly, you need to pay the price of a lot of time and in the money terms also. The problem here is not the lack of advice, it's a lack of decision making process. That's exactly why I created Wealth Decision Operating System. If you are responsible for making significant financial decisions, then watch my free training. It may change your financial decision framework. It may give you new ideas on how to take right financial decisions. Click the link in the description. It is going to redirect you to my free training. Wish you all the best.